I'm back. All right. So guess what? It's Friday here at the time of me recording this video, and I think that the coding guys understand that. So let me share my screen, and guess what? I didn't even do anything. At least I don't think I did anything. But now, same here when I had data where count gets data.length, exact same thing. I console.log count, and lo and behold, look here, we got 200. That's what I wanted to begin with because again, data's array. I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, um, it's working now. That's what I wanted. So now that I have that here, I'm going to pass in count along with data. That's going to be what I render. So now in my response.render, this pages slash actor single file, it has access to the count. And that's what I need because I need the count to be able to uh, display, the particular actors. I'm gonna try something different than I'd done before. Normally, I just do a previous and next, and maybe I'll start off with that. But I think what I would like to do is display the first name, well, the name of the actor before and after the one whose page wrong. I'm gonna try that. All right, so we got count. Now I can come over to my actor single.ejs. And here I have the name of the actor. And I think what I'm going to do, it doesn't matter where you put this, because again, this right here is not so important. Matter of fact, I'm going to move the H2. I'm going to put that above the image. Because you can, again, with this, you can style it however you want to. This is just us creating a template. All other, pages will follow. So here we're going to do, first we're going to start off with a previous and next. Okay. And to do that, I'm going to make a nav for this. So I'm going to say nav, give it a class nav because I'm using Bootstrap. And I'll say justify content dash between. Why not? And here, I'm just going to do basic one right in here. I'm going to say A, give it a class nav dash link. Right now, I'm just going to do a dead link. And it's going to see previous. And then I'll do another nav link. And this one will say, this will be a dead link. And this will say next. All right, let's get something on the screen for right now. So let's refresh. There you see it's moved over there. And there's previous and next. All right, cool beans. All right. So what do I want to do? What I would like to do is I would like to say, hey, we'll do it like this. I'm going to change my dead link here. This will be, the path will be slash actor slash, and I'm going to say actor. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Let me get EJS. There we go. This will be actor or data rather. Data dot actor underscore ID -1. Like so. And then the next will be slash actor slash, to be data dot actor underscore ID +1. So right now, this should kind of work. Or do it'll do something. So when I click previous, was it? Oh, did I refresh? No. There we go. And I refresh and you can see now and previous and next is both working. Cool. Right on. So that works. Okay. But what happens if I am, let's say, I'm going to go back to actor. Oh, just do this. Come back over here to actor and I click on Penelope Guinness. I have a previous here. What happens if I click previous? Oh, I get undefined. Oh, I don't want to do that. And now it's messed up. Oh, it's broken now. Oh, we've broken it. Unknown column, NaN and where clause. Oh, we broke it. Oh no, the world. Oh no. So we got to fix that. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to use EJS to create a conditional to say, hey, if the actor ID is greater than 1 or greater than or equal to 1, then we can have a previous. Or yeah, we'll say if it's greater than 1, then we'll have a previous. How about that? So we're going to add some EJS right here. And with EJS, we can, again, we can add a conditional. We can write JavaScript code in here. So I'm going to say if data.actor ID is greater than or equal to 1, or let's say greater than 1. I think that's what we want to say. Because if it is 1, we don't want a previous on there. So if data.actor ID is greater than 1, excuse me, and I'm going to set this up so I can have this formatted correctly. So if it is, then we can add this previous link. All right, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to set this back to 1, or it's on 12 now. So let's go to refresh. Let's go to actor. And if I go to Penelope Guinness, then there I don't see previous. I just see next. And next works just fine. And see, there's a previous now because I'm on the actor with an ID of 2, Nick Wahlberg. Boy, he's in a lot of trouble. He's in a whole lot of scandals these days. So that works. And now I need to do the same thing for next. However, what I want is if it's the last actor, then I don't want next to show. Okay. And how would I know that? Well, I have count now. Count is 200. So I can say, hey, if data.actor ID is less than or equal to, well, if it's less than count, then we'll have next. That makes sense. Here we go. We're going to say if data.actor underscore ID is less than count, which we have access to. Cool. This is the only thing I really just don't like about EJS is when you have to break out. You have to close each line with the closing EJS tag. I don't like that, but that's just me being like, pouty. I understand why they do it. So now, as long as data.actor ID is less than count, we'll get next. So let's come back over here to actor. Cool. I'm going to scroll all the way down to Thora Temple. Click on that, and she doesn't have a next. When I click previous. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, there we go. Now we have an issue. What is the issue now? Let's see. If data.actorID is less than count, let me refresh this. Okay. Now again, he's doing this because I'm making a video. Oh, now it wants to act this way. Now it wants to act this way just because I'm doing a video. But it's all good. It is all good. We're gonna make it work. No, that's right though. Yeah, that is definitely the right code. I had to, let me see. Am I getting an error message? Oh, how about this? How about I start this back up? Okay, refresh. See, got no error here. Click next. Maybe that's what I just need to do. Okay, I get a Julia Fawcett, so maybe. And I don't get, but she's not the last one. Okay, yeah, something's broken here. Something is broken. Because if data.actor ID is less than count, which we have, then slash actor ID actor ID +1. Huh. Interesting. I don't know. But I tell you what, I'm gonna come back over here and I'm going to, in my router, I'm gonna console count again. If I click previous, and I'm getting undefined, so it's back to that undefined, and I refresh it. Okay, 200. All right, count should still be 200. Yeah. Julia Fawcett, counts 200. Thora Temple, it should not be showing because yeah, previous. All right. And it's not showing now. Why is it undefined? I don't know. I don't know why it's changing from 200 to undefined. I have no clue. This is where I'm stumped. But that's how it works. Again, back to what I said in the previous video. If you got a better way, and maybe I could do some more research and try to figure out another way of handling that pagination, by all means, drop a comment. Teach me, show me something. Or if you did something different, and it happened to work, or you're doing something that doesn't work, drop in the comment. Help me out. I can help you out. So anyways, now I'm done with this video, with this lesson, because I want to move on from this. I'm going to do some other stuff and catch you on the flip side. I'll probably do another project where I'm going to add everything. I think at that point I'll be good. But anyway, we'll stop here and Like, comment, share, laugh about me, all that other stuff. Me and my live coding bloopers. Well, I tell you what, live coding, it's not for the faint of heart. Anyways, I'll see you all next lesson.